Yo, man, them nobody get Gigi now in a dog. I just my wallet drop, you see me? Yo, man, them what go on?
Get up! Never you send a voice note like that again in that group. He's a broke pocket individual. You're not allowed to run them joke, the brother.
So now deal with me.
Get up, shut up!
Alright, brother.
If man like you drop them wallet, it float!
The love chat and the random black.
Be answer your phone now, be. Your man, pick up your phone now, man.
Yo, you have to wait, you know. Mom's they are the that thing, isn't it? Mom's they are fuck. The charge.
Oh, that's a good. Me see you pray, man. Hope you enjoy yourself still, you know. I call her if you make sure you know some HIV positive. You see me? So, go and enjoy yourself, my father.
Dog, how the bomb buck, dog? Yo, how you just said that? Dog, how you do that more time?
Hey, don't cry to me, you. Cry to God. Cry to Jesus. And what me saying I go do it.
That is stinking Autobot them! I shall scream that! Everyone, if you walk and leave, move and quiet! What will be Mario? Pick up the truck! Back up! Back up, my man! Here I come! Me bomba! My leg! My leg!
Hey, I see you like to chew.
My life for chew.
Make use of chew
Dog.
on my face.
Bro,
I
me name
am the Dragon Warrior.
my youth. Oh, you can ram some my youth.
Ah!
Bro, get up now, dog, please.
I want to go around this up.
Bro, get up, please,
Then
dog.
Kevin, what you do to my picnic?
Mommy, I lie, I tell me barely touch him.
You barely touch him. Look on the little boy. How you do, club him? Yo, pimp him. Tell him my name's I can't breathe. Lord God, him now make no sense. Him have concussion. Then also we can't feel the brain cells. No man, come, go female. Go in my room and go female.
Mommy, I pretend, mommy.
Shut up! Go in the room, I see the belt with a big buckle on it. Bring it come now! Bring it come now!
Well, I'm come. Rock it.
Buddy single on the side, some along. Now we getting jiggy, see him dance any song. Young rich nigga with the dreads and the corn. Just because you.
Alright, which celebrity you think you look like?
Pop Smoke.
Pop Smoke. The rapper?
Yeah.
Alright, him look like.
Santa definitely last one. I'm elf me now. Hey, bring him back. In favor T-Rex. Look on him.
How do Jamaican women start a story?
Mr. Girl.
How do Jamaican women agree to a story?
Yeah, girl.
How do Jamaican women disagree to a story?
No, girl.
So I stand up there wait upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So I run.
Okay.
When me I run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me right down, man, so you get a back shot. That me right, you know.
Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing look away, Squaddy.
How me I make the thing look away?
The dog, you make the thing look freaky.
How me I make the thing look freaky? How you tell me I right down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me.
And how where him shot you?
In my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back. What? You get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back.
No, brother. No, I know so it go. If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot you get.
Charge, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over.
Hey yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, because me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Me just call it in.
No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself.
Officer, I'm reporting.
Me nobody want your help.
I report a sexual assault in the RP3 area, you know. A man come to me and tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take you to the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD.
If one monkey and one lion are race for one bunch of banana in a one coconut tree, which one of them are going to get the banana first?
Must be a monkey, brother.
A monkey are going to get the banana before a lion in a coconut tree.
Lion and banana, so we think who are going to banana?
What you say?
Lion and banana, brother.
Lion and banana?
No.
So a monkey are going to get the banana before a lion open a coconut tree.
A coconut tree bomb class.
Ready? My you no bother about it hard, bro. My bully bongo cat man gonna man. Now whip it like a slave. Brian Mara. I want that. Kevin. I want bro my expensive window. Kiss me granny and back. Mother kill with dog. We later. And you pick the green mango too. What my bet there? Me can't believe this. Look how the mango green. Kevin. Don't be the pan your boy. Mommy I know me. I swear to God. So who then? Don't be with the pan you. Since you want to play cricket, don't move. You're the boss. Mommy, no. I have to buy back my window.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. You know I like you though.
Yeah, look like my business. Look like my care.
You know, you look like you care though.
I don't. I honestly don't. I don't see why the reason you will even tell me that because I never care from day one. I no business. That not nothing to do with me.
No, I just didn't want to make you know.
Oh. I don't like you neither, sis.
I never like you from the start.
Big up
yourself. Yeah, man.
You know what to?
What?
You can't go.
Yo, Palace, I know, say, more when I talking bird, them in a bro, me they get one bird, two bird from Smaddy in a dog, and one of them get what I do, and I make a beer nice. Another one bite me, and I tell you the truth, brother, me ain't for near me, man. Yeah, man, so more when I talking Parrot, because this I want to get what I do, brother, beer nice, you out there, bumbuckler, make me ears, brother. So link me fast, link me now.
Blessed evening, brother. So, first of all, what kind of bird do you have, dog? Is it because it does, me not think I jump to the point of you telling me say a near ass clap bird in the bro. I apologize for the cursing. I'm a businessman and I shouldn't be cursing, but that does hurt my nerve for ear. Say because the bird bite you, you name the bird. Anyways, what is the type of bird you have? You just mess.
Bro, more when I talking one them, brother. You know, talking bird, they must say hello and them sitting on my youth. You're going like an innocent, and you say a cell bomb buckler bird, brother. The one I talking one more, brother. And the reason why I name my bird, brother, I bird bite up my bum buckler new iPhone, bro, and crack up his screen, and I saw this thing I go, brother. You see me? One I talking one. I need have one son canoe, bro. Him and the fuck out I do I make beer noise on my head like he come for torment me to blood clot. I swear me I go hold him down and send me ready if he not happy nice. Cho, bomba rascal, man.
Ah boy. All right, sir. Before I get out of character with you, brother, I'm trying to. You see, you had a son conure, the one outside now where I met beer nice. Can you please not catch the one that's outside and eat that one too as well, please? Me just want to get that out of the way. Your keeper say you want a talking bird. You ever go in a car dealership yet? You ever walk in a car dealership and say, I want a driving car? Or I want what me fi say? Me no bumbuckler, no. Bro, young man, sir, don't get me out of character, please. Please tell me what type of bird you're looking for.
Brother, you move like a bumbuckler, counselor, bird, or pussy clot cell. Which one of them? Cause right now, I'm confused, but I'm tell you, I want a bumbuckler talking bird, you come like a cow. Why not change the profession and go to bumbuckler counselor, my lord, and sell me fucking bird? Eh? But yo, brother, you gonna make my blood clot pressure go up like a bird, what this my blood clot pressure go up in a dog. Yo, you know, I never wanna fuck off with a blood clot bird. I never wanna ras clot bird for buy, man. Move your bumbuckler, man.
Suck your granny big to a pussy hole. You talk about counselor. You need some counseling, man. You not a rascal sense. But you want a talking bird. You not even know where the fuck you want. You need a.
When my rifle beat, boy, I fi drop down. Shell down immense and cut left them now. Wait till the cops come. Roll up a high grade weed, smoke and cool down. Them boy they can't in my class, cause school done.
Cause I feel like you can't ramp with me, I'm to the brother. One now, touch me again, I'm showing what I'm up to. Touch me again. So what I'm currently up to is getting my bachelor's degree in computer science at University of the West Indies.
Bachelor?
Yes.
That sound like a truck something, man.
Yeah, the science fan
yes.
truck.
Yeah.
Okay. And also I'm trying to learn some trade like electrical and cooking and those things at Archus NTA.
Okay,
Archus NTA.
Yeah.
Okay, good, alright.
A good boy, man.
Yeah, go to school and learn.
I like to fly this story, dog. My friends so hey.
Lighter, brother, just do this, dog.
So what are you gonna eat?
I don't even know.
Five Guys.
Huh?
Five Guys. The fuck?
You want me to consume 5 man?
It's 5 guys. Just food, like.
What make you think say me would I want 5 man for consume? What make you think say me would I want 5 man for consume? You want to give me 5 man for nyam? You want me nyam 5 man?
It's just food.
Just food, me bumbuck lad.
It's not that deep. Relax.
You have to learn how to cook. You have to learn how to cook. You're a man that can cook. So all you know how to cook. You're a man that know how to cook and you don't know how to cook. All that makes sense. You want me nyam 5 man?
And you still arguing?
You want me nyam 5
and
man?
You still arguing? It's just...
No, cause me really want to know you want me to nyam 5 man. You learn how to bumbuck like cook. Pussy is not just everything. You have to learn how to cook as well. You have to feed me.
All right.